let me dispense with the acknowledgement of the very important people who are here this morning. I will reserve that honor to our honoree later on. But I would just like to acknowledge the main actors for this morning's ceremony. Of course, the outgoing Commander of 103rd Brigade, Brigadier General Billy De La Rosa, retired. Palapakan natin. And of course, andito yung kanyang lovely wife, si Ma'am Ann. Palapakan din natin. And I would like to congratulate the new commander of 103rd Brigade, Colonel Jess Montoya. Palapakan po natin. So sabi niya kanina, tinanong ko kung anong feelings. Anong feelings niya? Sabi niya, mixed daw, no? Mixed feelings. Well, anyway, we gather today, this morning, for one of the Philippine Army's most cherished traditions, the change of command ceremony. This occasion symbolizes the continuity of leadership, our unwavering commitment to duty, and the enduring values that define our profession. It also provides us the opportunity to honor a distinguished soldier whose years of faithful service have left a lasting mark on the 103rd Infantry Brigade, the Tabac Division, and the Philippine Army. As we bid farewell to the outgoing commander of 103rd Infantry Brigade, Brigadier General Billy De La Rosa, and welcome Colonel Jess Montoya as the brigade's new commander, we reaffirm our commitment to the mission, the people we serve, and the enduring excellence of the Haribon Brigade. Billy, one of the greatest privileges of my military career was the opportunity to serve alongside you. I still vividly remember my time as commander of the 103rd Infantry Brigade, when you faithfully served as my deputy brigade commander. During those years, I witnessed firsthand your professionalism, sound judgment, humility, and unwavering commitment to mission accomplishment, and most importantly, the welfare of our soldiers. I also remember our days in the Tactical Command Post and Tactical Operations Center of the Brigade. We spent countless sleepless nights trying to keep everything on track. Billy, I often joke that before we work together, tahimik ang buhay mo. When I arrived here sa brigade, ang buhay ni Billy, chill-chill lang eh. No? Chill-chill lang siya. At that time, kasi the brigade was only confronting. Yung assigned threat group namin is the Maute group lang. But when I took over, higher headquarters also gave us the mission to neutralize yung mga CPP-NPA dito na pumapasok sa Lanao del Sur. And unfortunately, nadagdagan pa ng threat group when a group of criminal elements ambushed the convoy of Governor Bombit Agyong. So we were confronting 3 threat groups. Dalawa lang kami ni Billy. Anyway, what I did was to reorganize the brigade. Binigay ko sa kanya yung isang threat group, yung Maute. Ako nag-take charge sa NPA at saka yung mga kriminal na nag-ambush sa ating mahal na governor. And from there, nagulo na yung buhay ni Billy. No? Nakita niyo dyan sa picture, di ba? No? Kung saan-saan na lang siya natutulog. Kung saan may dilim at may konting lamig. So our operations tempo then was really parang nung Marawi 6 level ang operations tempo na. Pero sa kabila ng lahat ng pressure at mahabang oras parang pati yung lasuray ko, ayaw paalisin si Billy. Ayun, nag-iba na ng GM no? Hindi mo na barkada yung GM ng lasuray ko Anyway, sa kabila ng lahat ng pressure at mahabang oras ng trabaho, ni minsan, Billy, hindi kita narinig na nagreklamo. Tahimik ka lang, no? Tapos trabaho ulit. So, palapakan natin si Gerald. In fact, some people have asked me why your name in my cell phone's list of contact is saved as AA Billy. Yung cellphone ko, AA Billy ang nakalagay na. For the information ng iba na hindi nakakalam ko ibig sabihin ng AA, Action Agent. I always tell them that it stands for asset because throughout the years, especially when I was here at the brigade, you always have been one of my greatest assets. Whenever there was a difficult mission or a demanding task, I knew I could always count on you. No, so, I don't know kung yung overwhelming na mission na binigay sa akin ng brigade commander ako, I don't know kung iba-iba siguro yung DBC ko talagang lalong mahirap. No? But I was very lucky to have Billy as my deputy brigade commander. Dahil matagal kang na-assign sa Mindanao, madalas din kitang asarin. No? Na pag may pumapalpak siya sa akin, sinasabihan ko siya, Bisaya ka talaga, Billy. No? Pero pareho naman kayong Bisaya. Sometimes, nagbibiro pa ako na dahil parang adopted member ka na ng Bangsamoro Islamic Armed Forces, Janati, di ba? Di ba adopted yun na si Didi na actually, binigyan siya ni MP Bravo ng tax ng biyak dito. Pero alam nating lahat na ang puso at katapatan ni Billy ay nananatiling tapat sa Philippine Army at sa bansang kanyang pinaglilingkuran. What makes your career even more remarkable is that the 1st Infantry Tabak Division has been your home since your days as a young platoon leader. Dito ka nagsimula, dito ka nahubog bilang isang pinuno, at dito mo rin iniwan ang iyong marka bilang isang mabigat at matigas na general officer. The Tabak Division is very proud to have produced an outstanding officer, an exceptional leader, and above all, a dedicated soldier in the person of Brigadier General Billy de la Rosa. Palapakan natin na naman ulit. Those qualities earned not only my trust, but also the respect of everyone who had the privilege of serving with you. As the commander of the 103rd Brigade, you led the brigade through demanding operational challenges with competence and determination. Under your leadership, the brigade sustained significant gains against the Communist Terrorist Group and the Dawla Islamiyah Mountain Group, while strengthening intelligence operations and enhancing the brigade's operational readiness. Equally important were your efforts to improve logistics, infrastructure, mobility, and the overall welfare of our troops. These accomplishments reflected a leader who understood that lasting operational success is built upon capable, motivated, and well-cared for soldiers. Billy, there is one quality that I believe best defines your leadership: your willingness to always go the extra mile, whether in accomplishing the mission, strengthening the organization, or taking care of your soldiers. You consistently gave more than what was expected. Over the years, the extra mile has become more than your personal philosophy. It has become the standard by which many officers and soldiers will remember your leadership. As command is entrusted to new hands, we do so with confidence. The accomplishments of the brigade during your tenure have provided a very strong foundation upon which the future successes of this unit can be built. And so to the incoming commander, Colonel Jess Montoya, congratulations on your assumption of command. I have every confidence that your experience, professionalism, and dedication will enable you to lead the Haribon Brigade to even greater heights. Build upon the strong foundation established by your predecessor, continue to care for your soldiers, and always remain steadfast in accomplishing the brigade's mission. Ako, I am very, kampante talaga ako na ang kapalit ni Billy dito is si Colonel Montoya. I have known him, I've worked with him, and they are the up-and-coming generation of commanders that eventually will lead the Army and the Armed Forces of the Philippines. Na ang worry ko lang ngayon is lahat po ng brigade commander ng Tapak Division, puro members ng PMA Class 1995. No? Marilag Class of 1995. Yung 101 Brigade natin in Malabang is led by Brigadier General Yas Bara, Class 95 yan. Yung 102nd Brigade natin sa Ipil, si Brigadier General Sam Yungke, Class 95 din. Yung 2nd Mechanized Brigade, si Colonel Bernie Takeban, Class 95 din yun. Tapos si Jess. So baka magkudeta sila. Pag nagkudeta ito, Class 95, pero they know me. No, na, habang nagkapaplano pa lang sila, alam ko na. Kaya hindi nila gagawin yun. Anyway, going back to Billy. So Billy, you now relinquish command and conclude your active military service. While you may lay aside the uniform, the values you live by, the leaders you mentored, and the soldiers whose lives you influenced will continue to reflect your legacy. More than the positions you held or the awards you received, your greatest contribution to our Army is the example you will be leaving behind. To your beloved family, kay Ma'am Ann, and to your children, Christian and Raisa, we express our heartfelt gratitude. Talapakan ulit natin si Ma'am Ann. Thank you for your unwavering love to Billy, understanding and sacrifices throughout his years of military service. Behind every successful soldier is a family that quietly shares the burdens of duty. With our deepest respect and sincere appreciation, we proudly return him to your loving care. Palapakan ulit natin ang De La Rosa family. Sana magmalasin si Billy sa'yo. Baka after, sabi ko sa kanya sir, sa testimonial, pare, baka after 1 month, no, puro pasak na si Billy ba? Billy, congratulations! Once again, effective today, officially designated ka na bilang family driver Pero hindi lang driver. Kasama na rin ang plumber, carpenter, actually lahat ng air. Dati sir ka, ngayon air ka na. Or, contractor din kasi. No? Full-time contractor na siya, driver. So, to Ma'am Anne Marie, pagkatapos na maraming taon ng paggamit ng Philippine Army kay Billy, ibinabalik na namin siya sa inyo. Kayo na po ang bahala sa kanya. But in all seriousness, Billy, thank you for your friendship, your leadership, and your faithful service. It has been one of the greatest privileges of my military career to have served alongside you. For your information, hindi na kami dito nagsama ni Billy sa 1st Division, pati sa then Intelligence and Security Group. So, what I am now ay maraming contribution si Billy doon. So, thank you, Billy. May Almighty God continue to bless you and your family with good health, happiness, and fulfillment in the years ahead. Now, to the officers and enlisted personnel of the 103rd Infantry Brigade, continue to uphold the highest standard of professionalism, discipline, and dedication. Stand firmly behind your new commander, Colonel Montoya. Preserve the gains that have been achieved and continue building upon the strong foundation laid by those who came before you. Together, let us remain steadfast in our mission to protect our people, the people of Lanao del Sur, secure our communities, and serve our nation with honor. To God be all the glory. Mabuhay ang 103rd Infantry Haribon Brigade. Mabuhay ang 1st Infantry Tabak Division. Maraming salamat at mabuhay tayong lahat. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.